Poppin', poppin' on that.
Hoppin'.
Hoppin', stoppin' on Grat. What he gonna do? Say Drat. Cause, oh my gosh.
Whoa.
He's
No way.
He's a frat.
No
Hi.
way, bro.
What is going on, you gax?
Okay.
Y'all slimy, slippery, and slimy.
We
and
are
sticky.
back once more with Star Fox 2.
Look at me, I can spin. Look at me.
Speed.
I'm spinning so much.
Alright. Okay.
Okay,
So what's next?
we got two little blippies over here and a space cruiser. Should probably go ahead and take that out before they, what the fuck are they doing? Whoa, what was that?
know.
Did you see that? There was like some weird conjoined thing.
Yeah, that was really weird.
Oh man, I'm so good at this.
Oh, goated. Goated.
Where's that other one? Where's that other one? Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. You're not getting away. No, 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 no. Okay, what was that thing? I need to see what that thing was. What is that? Gorgia. It's no fun.
I don't know what that is.
Launch planetary missiles at Corneria. Oh, we're just summoning missiles even though they're not. Okay.
Alright.
Dude, that thing is fast. Good shit, turret. Good looks.
Hell yeah.
What the hell is that?
Oh no.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Whoa!
What the fuck? What do you mean out of range? I just started! Oh my god. What the? Oh! Oh, it's like hijacking the turret! What the fuck?
Interesting.
Oh, dude, this is so weird. Yeah, fly right through it. Fly right through. Yeah! Don't take any damage. Who cares about making sense? Shit. I see I think I see a Star Wolf ship heading my way. Easy peasy. I would like to get some healing in at some point. Get away from me!
Get out of here! Get off my lawn!
I wanted to fight the fucking missile, you stupid pig! God, you give my own kind a bad name.
Damn.
Pigs are
Pigma,
supposed
more
to
like
be...
Ligma.
Can we start the recording over?
No.
Whoa! Okay. Alright. Nope, shield. I got a shield. Fuck you. Got a shield. Fuck you. Not killing me. Suck my D. Alright, I might actually have to return back to base though, because both of my ships are now fucked up beyond repair.
That missile is about to reach there.
Yeah, they're also about to do the planet cannon. I don't want to know how much a planet cannon does to the planet.
Yeah, but with a name like Planet Cannon, I would assume it does quite a bit.
Oh, healing. Healing. I need more health. Yes. Drop health. Good. Now I don't have to go back. I don't have to go back now. I can just take these out and then head straight to the carrier.
Gotcha.
Let's go. It's gonna bust a fat fucking nut on the planet. I don't want that. Stop. Resume! Resume! Woo!
Yeah.
Woo! Get in there! Gotta go fast. Oh shit! Wait! Whoa! I missed a token. Fuck. It's okay. It's whatever. I don't need a stinky token. Special weapon. Oh, they got things on the walls too now. Okay. It's okay, I got charge shot. I don't care. I got charge shot. I don't care. I'm playing hard difficulty with like a hard ship to not die in. I don't care. Hell yeah. You're mine, Venom. Oh, what? Ew, what the fuck are you? What are you? What are you? Oh, you're gross. What kind of NPC are you?
Rants.
Dude, he's ugly as sin. His name is
Looks
Algae.
like a... Yeah.
Whoa, chill. Whoa! No, got you. We won't forget this? Who's we? I already forgot. I can't remember somebody when I don't even know who they are.
Right?
Okay, hopefully they have some healing on the planet here, because that's a long-ass way to get back home.
Yeah. Button.
I tried to transform and it wouldn't let me for a second. Get out of here. Oh, look at him trying to fire a missile. How cute. How cute. So cute. Thinking that they can cause planetary destruction. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Your boner is getting so big.
Oh my gosh.
Like it's so large. How do you even fit it in your pocket? I don't understand. Give a fuck. Oh god. What is that? What does it say? S. What is S?
Don't know.
I want it. I want. Oh right, I
you
can
have to fly.
Special weapon.
Special weapon. So enthusiastic. I don't like the undulating turnip.
I was about to comment on it.
It's a little freaky, I'm not gonna lie. It's freaking me out a little bit. Why can it fly? That was weird. Okay. Alright. Yeah, let's get in there. Preferably.
Some of the enemies in this game just exist just to exist.
Yeah, right? Like some of these enemies are literally just plant, flower, fish, bird, turnip?
Right?
Okay, this room is not frame friendly. Oh, this is very not frame friendly. You know, I've always wondered how this game, like, controls, and now that I'm playing it, it's not terrible. Like, I would have thought that having to use the L and R to, like, turn left and right and stuff would be, like, weird, but it's actually not that bad.
It's pretty intuitive.
Yeah, it's very intuitive. The only thing I would say is that the sensitivity is a little too high, but other than that, this is very fine. Also, the fact that they turned this into like a slightly like a roguelike is kind of fucking crazy, especially for this early. Oh, they got a missile. Oh, that was for one of these. Wait, can my ship swim? I can't tell if my ship has the ability to swim or not. I did not mean to do that. I meant to boost.
Wow.
Whatever, I have a shield for this fight now. And it's done! Light work. No reaction. Light work. Oh, they're sending. They're sending another jizz blob. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Let's take out the jizz blob first. I'm about to say, don't tell me one of them already got away. Oh my god, one of them already got away. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no. You're not going anywhere. Dude. Oh, this game is so good!
This game is amazing.
Alright, what's the turret gonna shoot at first? You shot at something that was like 20 miles away from court area, you idiot! Oh my god!
Whoa, what is this?
Oh, that.
Whoa!
Oh, this guy thinks he can get away. Bitch.
Got him!
Total time, 99. It rhymes, so I'm fine. Yeah,
Okay,
turret.
get those missiles.
Turret, you could have just shot the missile that was right there.
For real.
Oh, it's one of these. It's the weird sex toy.
Phone. Yeah.
I need, like, a clear visual representation, like a simulation of what it would look like if that missile touched Corneria. I just need to know. I need to understand the levity of the danger of that missile. 'Cause I'm not seeing any danger from that thing. It just looks like it just looks like it would be an absolute nuisance. Like, you know, like you're like somebody like flying a plane in Corneria or whatever.
It's like it's just an object.
Yeah, like you're flying a plane in Corneria. The most I could see that thing doing is like maybe getting in the way of airspace or something.
Maybe.
Like, and that's it. Okay, give me that health. Thank you. Oh, I see coin. I see coin. I want coin. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, it gives me health too. That's nice.
That's useful.
Yeah. You know, maybe General Pepper isn't such a bad guy. You know, his money gives me free health, which also means free healthcare.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Pepper care.
Obama could never. I love how everything in the Star Fox universe, in like Star Fox 1 and 2, is powered by 4 glowing triangles.
Right?
Like, everything is powered by the same power source. Whee! Destroying the carrier destroys the fighters, too. Wait, does it? Does that mean, like, any fighter surrounding the carrier gets, destroyed as well? Or is she just saying that for flavor text?
I don't know.
You know what? Hold on, I'm gonna go back to the mothership. Yeah, I wanna warp. Let's go here. There we go. Let's get rid of these fuckers. Where do you think you're going? I'm the space police. Oh god, the planet is so pink, it's killing my frames! Too much pink! Okay, this is actually horrible. Brother. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, target, pick a guy and stick to it, please. There we go, there we go, there we go. Ow. Where the fuck do you think you're going, mister? Where is he? Oh. Okay. I almost died. That was bad.
I just thought of something funny.
What?
Like, what about all the shots that you missed that, like, hit the planet's surface? There's just someone, like, walking down the street, and they're like, ah, la-di-da-di-da-di-da, and then their leg gets blown off.
Yeah, right? What the fuck? Alright, guess we're definitely getting to see those new bosses. Why are you so close to the planet? I I don't like that. I'm gonna stop you right there, mister. H. Fantrum. Whoa, 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 what are you doing? Whoa, what are you doing? I'm putting my shield on. I don't care.
Wow, dead already. Wow.
That was underwhelming.
Yeah. I will say, and I don't want to sound rude, but like it feels like, or it seems like a lot of the combat in this game is a little bit underwhelming.
Yeah.
Like I don't want to criticize it. Like this game looks fun as fuck, but I don't know. It's just every combat, every boss fight, everything that you've gone up against, things die in less than 30 seconds.
I think it's because just, you know, the charge shots are so broken. Right? The charge shots are insanely broken.
But like even when you were doing Fox and Slippy, like you fucking like it took you like 8 seconds to kill Andros.
You gotta keep in mind that this is a kid's game. Like, they probably didn't expect kids to, like, really give a damn about the longevity of the game. They just wanted their game. They saw Star Fox and were like, oh, I gotta have it. You know what I mean?
I suppose, yeah. Your health's kind of low.
Yeah, it is. This might be the first time that we get to see the game over screen. I just have to aim at a center, but I can't get a good shot off. Come on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Wow. Oh, health. Give me that, please. Yes.
Triangle power source.
Oh, oh. General Pepper, save me with your lucky chocolate coin. Yes.
Yeah, these fights are pretty easy. What the heck? I'm not the one playing, but
I think they,
what the heck?
I think they also purposely make the fights easy because, you know, the game kind of makes you focus on trying to go to like 8 different battles at the same time.
I guess that's true, yeah.
I'm going, relax. There we go. Well, either way, I'm having a good time.
Yeah. Making really good progress too.
We, unfortunately though, after I destroy this missile, we'll have to scooch on.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because we are 24 minutes in.
Ah, I see.
Unless...
Wow, that was quick.
Unless, I should probably take out the planet first. Right?
Yeah. You might as well take out the planet and then take out Andros.
Alright.
Yeah, just beat it, and then we'll save the next. We'll do expert in the next episode.
Ooh, I see a power up. The surface is molten. Oh shit! Bitch said floor is lava, and I did not read that. Oh god. Oh lord. Okay. Okay. That is not the button I wanted to press. I'm getting a slight hernia from this. Whoa, 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 whoa! I didn't want to boost. I wanted to slow down. There we go. Okay, so I just gotta time this. Hell yeah.
Nice. Perfect.
Wait, that was only one? I like the theme for this planet.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Okay, let me see if I can't grab health from this enemy over here. No. Wait, what's this? I saw something. Oh, health pad. Health pad. Nice. All right.
That's a nice touch.
Ooh. A power up here too.
Special weapon.
Special weapon. I'm sorry. I just can't. I cannot help but repeat his voice. He just has such a nice voice.
Oh yeah.
Special weapon. I almost flew into the roof.
Yeah.
Night knack? I'm sorry, what? What the fuck are you talking about? It's just some dude with a shield. What do you mean night knack? Wow. I really feel the chivalry from this guy. Okay, can you feel it?
Oh yeah.
Like, gosh. He's not even facing. Dude, turn around. Take this seriously. I got places to be. You know, I got a universe to save or whatever. Ooh, healing. I will gladly take that. And also that.
Alright.
Oh, this is new. Probably just have to take these out. Yep. And charge shot. Yep. What do you mean, dude? These fights are great!
Yeah. Definitely. Alright, let's go kill Andros.
Andros' forces in the Lilat system are defeated. Press on, you must neutralize Andros once and for all. And the planet took 0 damage.
Yeah.
Hear me, Starfox, I'm blah, blah, blah. We're like, hey, bitch, we're not even Fox.
Right? Like, who are you?
Like, take this beef up with him. Ow. Nah, I got you. I got you, bro. Your shitty little shots ain't gonna mean anything. Okay, maybe they are meaning something.
Crazy. The music for this game ain't half bad either.
Yeah, right? Like, for early Star Wolf music, this is not bad. I'm gonna miss this game. I'm gonna be so honest with you, dude. I'm gonna miss this fucking game.
You're gonna miss this game?
I'm gonna miss it. Part of me is kind of upset that it's not as challenging as I thought it would be.
I mean, I guess that's fair, but
I know. I lost my shit in Star Fox 1, but at the same time, it's like that's what made it fun. It's a
bro,
challenge.
I thought you were gonna need therapy after Star Fox 1.
Oh well, I still do. It's just I'm choosing not to.
I thought
to
that
take
this
it.
was the I thought that playing Star Fox 2 was the therapy.
It might as well be. Dude, I'm so goated! Speedrun. Speedrun! Ow, 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 ow. Ow. I'm noticing that collisions don't do as much damage as, you know, I thought they would. And then I can go in here, and there's probably a coin waiting for me, right? Wow, wow, wow! What is this? Oh, that's bomb. That is super bomb. Like a super bomb! Give me the bomb, gotta get it in a bomb, gotta
Uses
do
it. Imagine you use it on Andros and it's just insta-kills him.
Dude. I kind of want to see if it does. I always forget which one's the boost and which one's the break. You are improving, Starbucks. I mean, listen, Andros, I know you're supposed to be like an evil scientist or whatever, but did you really think 4 triangles were gonna stop me after I defeated an entire army of yours that was running on the power of 4 triangles? Why am I running in a circle?
I don't know.
What is happening? Oh, my controller.
No! Time for that to happen.
No.
Fix
No.
Fix it.
I'm trying.
Fix it.
Fuck, stop! Ooh.
Bomb Andros.
Okay, that did nothing, really. Well, almost
Sure?
nothing. I'm sure I probably could have just done the same amount of damage with a charge shot. Well, thanks to my controller being stupid, I have to do this fight with 1 HP. And I know people are gonna be like, oh, but weren't you just complaining about you not having challenge? This is different. Woo! Dude, he is just spraying and praying.
Oh.
So
Well, we get to see what the game over thing looks like.
Wait, I actually only get 1 life? Continue as... Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Wait, so does that just mean that the other character is permanently dead?
I guess so.
Wait, oh no! Oh fuck! The dog is dead!
And if you're not careful, then the cat's gonna be dead too.
Alright, listen. I am very careful. You wanna know how careful I am? Look at my 2 shield power-ups.
Yeah.
Very careful. You know, I really do wonder who, like, in the development team decided to make them walk around like this. Like, who was the genius?
Honestly, I like it. It has like a charm to it.
It does, and that's why that's why I'm like, who came up with this idea? It's so... I just wasted my shield. Who came up with this idea? It's just so nice. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, it just fits. It's perfect for the Star Fox, like, aesthetic, somehow. And this is before the Landmaster was even conceived.
Yeah.
Alright, this is like one of my least favorite enemies in the game. Alright, I'm gonna need some healing. Preferably also maybe some weapon upgrade.
Yeah, that would be nice.
The fuck? Oh, y'all are just playing games with me. Okay. God, how much health do you have? There we go. Alright, so what are these? Is it still just it's still just the bombs.
Yeah.
I don't need bombs. I like having shield. What the fuck? Gonna go on in.
Oh, hi, Andros.
Take my little chicken legs.
Here, can we Star Fox? I'm not Star Fox.
Yeah, for the last time, I'm like totally meow.
Meow.
Meow. Well, I don't think Starbucks does that. Do foxes meow?
I don't think so. Alright. Final phase.
I got 1 shield, nearly full health. I got this. Alright, you wanna fucking flash my screen anymore, buddy? I don't think the charge shot works on him. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Fucking weirdo.
Don't forget, you do have a mini map.
Ooh. Ooh. There we go, here we go. What the fuck is this? Whoa, what? This is new?
Oh!
I don't know what's happening, I don't know what's happening, I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna just safely assume that it's just something I need to dodge.
Get him.
Got him! Woo!
Hell yeah! Alright, and that was hard mode.
And we are Star Fox.
We are STAR.
We are STARFOX. Well, may dog rest in peace.
Yep. We should play as them on Expert to honor their memory. Resurrect them.
Good work, Star Fox. It was a team effort.
What's a mission? Adios, Andross.
Let's head back.
Oh wow, yeah, she's just dead.
Yep.
Wow. That's sad. Wait,
Yeah.
I didn't. What? No. No, now I just feel bad.
You feel bad?
I just feel bad. I let the dog die.
The dog shows up for one game and dies. Oh, look at the pencils.
Don't distract me from my distress. A dog fucking died because my controller wanted to disconnect.
Yeah, that's true.
That's so lame. Oh, man. I was expecting it to just be like, oh, you have this many continues. Not, oh, the dog is dead forever. Want to switch to her friend? Who cares?
I mean, it's got a sense of realism in that aspect, I suppose.
Like, fuck.
Alright, well, I guess we're gonna scooch on out of here. This episode was a little longer than usual, but hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, as always, and hit the bell icon to get notified for when we upload new episodes, and
The dog is dead.
yeah. We'll see the dog again in the next episode.
No, it's...
Later!
No, it's gone. You don't understand. It's dead.
What's the dog doing? Dead.
Dig in its grave.